EF mount to PL mount conversion, included accessories, screwdriver, shim, screws, PL mount ring and lens cap. Note: lenses of different focal lengths require corresponding accessory kits for mount conversion. For example, 85mm PL to EF mount, use the 85mm EF accessory kit. 16mm EF to PL mount, use the 16mm PL accessory kit. Prepare the EF mount lens to be converted. Face the side with screw holes towards yourself. Use a screwdriver to remove the 6 screws on the lens. Remove the EF mount ring. Note: if there is a shim, please remove it. Use a screwdriver. Remove the 8 screws on the mount base. Take off the mount base. Install the mount base onto the EF mount ring. Tighten the screws. Store properly. For future reinstallation of the original mount, face the side with screw holes towards yourself. Install the PL mount ring. Align the screw holes. Install the 8 screws from the accessory kit. Mount the lens onto the camera. Check infinity focus performance. See if it aligns with the infinity mark. If aligned, mount conversion is complete. If not aligned, add a shim. Check if the focus accurately reaches the infinity mark. The farther the distance, the thicker the shim needed. The closer the distance, the thinner the shim needed. Place the shim into the groove of the mount base and align the screw holes. If the holes don't align, try flipping the shim. Install the PL mount ring and tighten the screws. EF to PL mount conversion complete.